मैं हूँ आपकी सुप्रा और आज हम बनाने वाले हैं एक डॉग का फेस। तो फर्स्ट ड्रॉ an oval shape for the head, this like, and then you need to draw another oval, the smaller turn to a side like this. Okay, and then now you need to even smaller oval for the nose. Okay, and you have to draw two circles to make the dog's eyes, and then you could then draw a smiling mouth with tongue and teeth like this. Then for the ears you could draw two L shape on the top of the head like this. You are nearly done. Just remove that extra line and here you have a dog in front of you like this. Okay, erase them and you draw them like this. Okay, and we get the mouth of dog.